So now we've seen that lists can contain heterogeneous information, and we're going to use that in this mini lecture to show how the for operator works. So we previewed this before. Let's put some numbers and some strings and maybe another list in there. And we'll also add a floating point number for fun. So R has 6 elements. Now the for and in operators work together in order to iterate over a list. So since a list is a natural Python data structure, as in it's provided for you, this Python syntax knows what to do when you use the for and in operators. So it looks like this. For element in R. So the for and in words are Python keywords. Element is going to be assigned each element in the list of R. So it'll first be 2, and then it will be 4, then 5, and then orange as it goes through the for loop. And we note that for for loops, we have to use a colon to indicate the end of the line, because in the next line, things are going to be grouped together. So let's just print the element. And we can see that each element of the list gets printed. An element is just a variable name. We could just as easily use something different. So let's say for item in R, print item. And the same thing gets printed. Now let's say we just wanted the first few elements, which are numbers. So we could say for item in R3, which will give us the first 3 elements. This is using the slicing material that we learned earlier. Since these are all integers, we could do print item plus 1. And we get 3, 5, and 6 as expected.